Are you caught in the dilemma of choosing between pure Redux and NgRx for your Angular projects? It can be a tough decision, but don't worry. Today, we are diving deep into the pros and cons of both to help you make the best choice. I totally get it. Switching between different state management libraries can be confusing and frustrating. Many developers have faced the same question: which one is more efficient and faster? You're definitely not alone in this. Let's look at the specific question at hand. One user asked, what are the pros and cons of using either pure Redux or NgRx with Angular? They have experience with both but are still unsure which one to choose for optimal performance. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what are the key differences? Pure Redux is known for its simplicity and flexibility, while NgRx offers a more structured approach with built-in support for Angular features. Understanding these differences will help you decide which one fits your project needs better. And stick around. At the end of this video, I will share a personal tip that helped me choose the right state management library for my projects. First, let's discuss the advantages of using pure Redux. The user will find that pure Redux is lightweight and has a simple API, making it easy to learn and integrate into projects. Next, the user should consider the downsides of pure Redux. One major drawback is that it requires more boilerplate code, which can lead to increased complexity in larger applications. Now, let's look at the benefits of using NgRx with Angular. The user will appreciate that NgRx provides a powerful state management solution that integrates seamlessly with Angular's reactive programming model. However, the user should also be aware of the potential downsides of NgRx. It can introduce a steeper learning curve due to its complexity and the need to understand concepts like actions, reducers, and effects. In conclusion, the user should weigh these pros and cons based on their project requirements. Pure Redux may be suitable for simpler applications, while NgRx is ideal for larger, more complex Angular projects. Fun fact: did you know that Redux was originally created for React? It has since been adapted for other frameworks, including Angular, which shows its versatility. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user points out that both NgRx and Redux share similar concepts and address comparable issues. However, since Angular heavily utilizes RxJS, particularly observables, NgRx offers a more seamless integration. For performance optimization, if a component's entire state is stored, using the async pipe to display data can enhance performance. They suggest employing the on-push change detection strategy for better efficiency in larger applications. Lastly, they recommend checking a GitHub thread for a detailed discussion comparing NgRx Store and Redux. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. One user points out that NgRx Store was specifically designed for Angular. They suggest checking the detailed reasons provided in a GitHub link for more insights. Here's my personal tip. If you're working on a small to medium-sized project, pure Redux might be the way to go. But for larger applications with complex state management needs, NgRx could save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. We've explored the pros and cons of both pure Redux and NgRx. Remember, the best choice depends on your specific project needs. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more insights and let me know in the comments which state management library you prefer.